Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. And today I'm giving y'all some commentary on some crispy shoes, some shoes that I think a company is starting to make their mark and a brand up on the come up. So hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna continue to give y'all the sauce and give you solutions on your content creation journey and shoe collection journey. Let's jump right in with these Kyrie Irving, Kobe-Bryant inspired themed shoes. Look at that. That's dope. It has the Lakers colorway. It has that purple and gold going throughout it. It has the different carbon fibers in the shoe, the midsole, the sole itself, and it has different plates that's shanked to give you that protection when you're doing cuts and shifts. Now you know Kyrie Irving has been trying to be a trailblazer, and he has. He walks and marches to the beat of his own drum. So are those dope? I mean, Kobe Bryant definitely inspired a lot of players that wound up becoming champions, wound up becoming all-stars, and had that Mamba mentality. That's right, gang. Look at that. These are themed and inspired by the Mamba himself, Kobe Bryant. Now, Kyrie Irving definitely had his own history and historic marks that he's made. He's made himself one of the top players in history. So what do y'all think, man? What player should inspire another player? I think if anybody is out here that deserves some shoes inspired behind them would be LeBron James, Steph Curry. So those are a few that I would think deserve an inspired themed shoe by a current NBA player. Now, I definitely don't wear those type of athletic shoes out in public, but when it comes to these new shoes, I definitely could. Anta is a new company brand that's been making waves. They signed the 3vs3 team, men's USA basketball team. And they are signing some of the best players in across sports. So what do y'all think about those? The Kobe Bryant inspired Kyrie Irvings by Anta. I think they are dope. On a scale of 1 to 10, they deserve an 8.5. The colorway is sick. The patterns and the designs have some meanings behind it. So you already know Kyrie Irving is a deep brother. What else did you expect? So definitely be on the lookout for those when they drop. I think that is cold. He's letting people know that he's locked in. He just was in the NBA Finals this year. Hopefully he can win another ring. But he's got the right mentality. He's out here thinking about the GOATs, some of the best to ever do it. And Kobe Bryant was one of them. So I definitely like how he's paying homage and keeping that Mamba mentality. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. Remember, always love yourself, love your loved ones, stay fresh and clean. But tell a friend to meet us at 10. Hit that subscribe button and that like button on the way out. I appreciate the continued support. Family, we are growing 600 plus strong, gang. Let's keep going. Go ahead and tell a friend to meet us at 10. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.